And then they just get bigger and bigger, right? So on this one, I'm going to cut it up here and here. So I have 3 areas, Area 1, Area 2, and Area 3. We'll talk about that one in just a little bit. So we're going to do Area 1, Area 2, Area 3. We'll talk about Area 3 in just a little bit and do the easier ones first. So we have base times height here. And the base is going to be 19. And the height is going to be 4, which would be 36, carry the 3, 7. And then base times height of this one. The base is 4. Now what's the height? Is the height 8? 5? The height is 8 because it's the whole thing. 5 is just that part of it. So we have 8 and then we have 32. Now what is this? It's part of a circle, right? How much of a circle? Well, let me ask a different question. So how do we find the area of a circle? Pi times radius squared. But how much of this circle do we have? We only have 1/4 of it. So we're going to divide by 4 once we get everything. It says use 3.14 for pi. So we're going to do 3.14 times, your radius is 9, squared, and then we're going to divide by 4. So get your calculator out and put that in. So 3.14 times 81 divided by 4. And it doesn't say to round, so we are not rounding. So 63.585. Big old decimal point there. And then we're going to add everything up. So plus 76 plus 32, 171.585. And our last one. So we have this square, this 1/4 of a circle. Golly, there's just so many ways we could do that. Hopefully, I got everything. So we have Area 1, Area 2, Area 3, Area 4, and Area 5. Base times height, 8 times 8, 64. Base times height. Yeah, I lost it, 420. Okay, let's do this one. Base times height. The base is 8 and the height is 6, so that's going to be 48. Now, pi r squared divided by 4. 3.14 times 11 squared divided by 4. 3.14 times 11 squared divided by 4. 94.985. See what I meant by if you're scared to write anything down, you're probably going to be lost. And this one is pi r squared divided by 4 also. So 3.14 times 5 squared divided by 4. 3.14 divided by 25 divided by, or times 25 divided by 4 is 19.625. Then we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things up. So 420 plus 64 plus 94.985 plus 48 plus 19.625 equals 646.61. 646.61. There you go.